From CBS4, this is Colorado Review. Now, here's your host.
Welcome to Colorado Review. I'm Tracy Dixon. Each year, influenza causes between 3 and 5 million cases of severe illness. Tecton Research is currently enrolling adults 50 and older for Moderna and Pfizer flu vaccine clinical trials in the Longmont and Fort Collins areas. Dr. Flanagan is here to tell us how you can help. Thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome, Tracy.
So a new flu vaccine every year, why is that necessary?
That's a great question. So typically, the influenza vaccine, which is the conventional vaccine, is about maybe 60 to 70% effective in a good year. Unfortunately, there are some years where the vaccine is still not as effective as we'd like it to be. Maybe it's 30 or 40% effective. That being said, we highly encourage people to still get the vaccine as it can help prevent severe illness and or hospitalization. And so as a result of the COVID pandemic and all the research, for example, that Pfizer and Moderna have done with mRNA vaccines, the target is to move from the conventional influenza vaccine to the mRNA influenza vaccine.
Okay, so you bring up a great point with COVID. How has the COVID pandemic given rise to new flu vaccines?
As many are aware, the COVID vaccine is given on an mRNA chassis. And if we think about the conventional influenza vaccine, that vaccine is essentially a small amount of live attenuated virus that's on that conventional vaccine that can work to help a person's immune system. So with all the research that's been done with the COVID mRNA vaccine, what we're looking to do is put the new flu vaccine on an mRNA chassis, and that will send a message to the cells to help them fight off influenza A or influenza B.
Amazing. So if I recall, there are two different types of influenza, correct? Influenza A and B. Does it cover both?
Yes, and so the conventional vaccine covers both influenza A and influenza B, and then the mRNA vaccine would also cover both influenza A and influenza B.
All right, so who qualifies for this study?
Yeah, currently those that qualify are 50-year-old and above and have not had the flu shot.
And where can they go for more information to be involved?
They can go to tectonresearch.com and or they can call.
Thank you so much, Dr. Flanagan. Again, if you are 50 and older and interested in participating in this influenza vaccine study, call 720-712-1369. Or you can sign up online at tectonresearch.com. You could be reimbursed for your time and travel. Thanks so much for joining us today. This segment sponsored by Tecton Research. For more information, visit us at cbsdenver.com/Colorado Review. We'll see you next time.